What are these? Why is it wet?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute, I guess, so I thought this would be pretty funny because he doesn't know about makeup.
So what will I be doing?
Whatever
I want to use?
Whatever you want to use. You have all this makeup in here.
I'm like the beast, she's the beauty. But like, Lord. So I'm about to do her makeup real nice though, because I'm multi-talented.
I got a pimple. No, don't. Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why they're gleaming. You see them? You're gonna find one.
Shut up. No. That's how they are.
Why do you have all of this? No makeup right there.
I will just let you get started if you just want to start it.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Foundations first, right?
Yeah, but do you want to use the Giorgio Armani?
Where's the cheap ones at? Right here?
That's a good one. And it's not, I mean, it's cheap. It's a good alternative. Either True Match is very good, or the Infallible.
Do we use this for those?
No, you just think whatever.
Okay, so this goes for those.
Nothing. Go ahead. Babe, be careful with that.
Give me sun. What is this?
Babe, be careful.
But what is this?
It's setting powder.
What is this used for? Oh, I need a littler one. Not this one. Yeah. Guys, I'm putting this on the brush, this stuff on. Do we wipe it in?
Oh my god.
And we don't want to look like the other chicks that be having it like cut off right here. So we're going to go all the way and we're going to blend it with the neck. All the way in. Hey, this actually might be cool.
You're really trying, right?
Yeah, what do you mean? Okay. So that's that, guys. I really might apply for MAC to keep it real. So this is for the eye color, right? This is for the eye, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, lip. It says lip pencil. Why would you? By MAC. Yeah, so Morphe and Anastasia.
Wait.
What's so funny? This is kind of what you do at the end, huh? Close your eyes. I am nice. Hey, I'm nice. Okay. Where's the eye stuff at?
You want to do my eyebrows?
So we're using this to make the eyebrows more full, right? More fuller? Oh.
Okay, you're just doing that just to do it.
No, I'm not. Are you not supposed to do this?
Yeah, man. What is that?
Hold on. Dude, that one's not bad, huh? Ooh. That one's better. Sheesh. Oof.
Right.
This goes on your face. This is more for like the shine right here that the girls use for their cheeks. You just look beautiful.
Good.
This is that shiny stuff around your cheeks.
Do I look nice?
You don't look too bad. This is the shiny stuff. Ah!
Fresh.
Oh yeah, the bigger ones now.
One hour later.
Is there anything on it? Is there anything getting on this?
Yes, you're really swirling it in there.
Ooh.
It gives it a wet look.
I'm like, that side, I did a better job on this side for sure, because when you look this way, it's like, man. A couple more things to do, guys, a couple more. Thank you guys for watching my...
Okay. Careful, this can pinch your skin.
I won't pinch you. Trust me.
Shit.
Trust me. I was supposed to turn it up.
Babe, you're not even trying.
Stop it.
At this point.
You're talking too much.
Okay,
Quiet.
sorry.
It's like drawing with a colored pencil and coloring it in. Shh. Okay, lips are popping. Your lips are fire. Looking like yourself. Huh? Finishing touches, you powder up. No? Now I see why you girls like it. It's kind of like art. What is mascara?
Thought this was mascara.
Oh, no. Mascara's for the eyes. Just realize you gotta trust me, baby. Trust me. I did solid with this. Some of these things I can learn.
You're done?
I think I'm done. I think I did a good job. I think I did good.
You got like a C minus.
No, it's still beautiful.
Thank you. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Big thank you for Big Philly. Thanks for coming on my channel.
Lay one on me right there.
You'll probably see a little bit more of him. Not too much.
Lay one up.
Doing my makeup.
It's truly an honor.
So well. Honestly.
It's truly an honor.
So well.
It's truly an honor. Thank you. Love. God bless.
Love. Bless.
Love you.
Bless up. Alright. I'll see you guys in my next video.
See you guys.